Hello. In this video, we will talk about transfer functions in MATLAB. But before we continue, remember to subscribe in our channel, like the video, and active the notifications. It helps us to keep growing in YouTube. Here is a MATLAB program that demonstrates how to input a transfer function and display it on the screen. The num command is used to define the numerator of the transfer function, listed in descending order of the powers of s. The den command is used to define the denominator in descending order of the powers of s for each of the two polynomials in the denominator. The conv command is used to multiply two polynomials, in this case, s plus 5 and s plus 15. The printsys command is used to display the transfer function with the numerator and denominator you've specified, written in terms of s. Sometimes you'll need to find the poles and zeros of a transfer function expressed as a ratio of two polynomials. In such cases, you can use the command z, p, k, rs tf2, cp, num, den is used to calculate and display the zeros, z, poles, p, and gain k of the given transfer function. MATLAB can also be used to generate plots showing the system's response to different types of input. For example, the following program shows how a system responds to a step input u of t with a specific transfer function. If you have any questions, type in the comments section. See you in the next videos. Bye.